proud of Margaret's efforts?
Yes.
All right. The prayer was well written and was proud. Yes. We use it there. Yes. Next.
The class did not say anything about the poem, but they did react to it.
But they did react to it. Good.
Maybe no one knew what to say, or maybe the students were afraid to say the wrong thing.
Good. Or Navash. Give a check. Last one.
The students were silent, but Mrs. Peasel knew what to write.
Yeah. The students were silent, but Miss Peasel. This is Miss. Miss Peasel knew what to write. अच्छा. You know ये Miss or Mrs. का थोड़ा confusion. This is called courtesy title. एक आपका courtesy title होता है और एक आपका professional title होता है. I am a PhD, I am a doctor, so doctor is my professional title. But I am a male, so Mr. is my courtesy title, right? तो males का जो courtesy title है, उस पे उनके marital status से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. मतलब if it is unmarried male or married male or widower male or whatever, right? So we use Mr. with all marital status. We used to use Miss for unmarried females, Mrs. for married females, and widows or separated would be mistress, right? अब it doesn't look nice कि मुझे HBL में letter लिखना है. Miss Sadaf is the manager and I call her, hello ma'am, are you married? Right? What if she asks, are you interested? So, मतलब it does not make sense because it looks very, very unprofessional. So, अब इसके लिए हमने क्या कर दिया है? Irrespective of their marital status, we use Miss. Right? Now we use. That's why you have seen जहाँ पे हर जगह पे आपने यही देखा है Miss. Right? Okay. Right. Today we discuss about formal and informal writing and grammar. G. Please. What is formal English and what is informal English? Yes. Formal and informal English. What is the difference?
So फॉर्मल जो हम अक्सर प्रोफेशनल लेवल पर या किसी और इसका इंसान से बात करने के लिए use
Good.
करें. And
Formal is used in like professional, academic, right, or office setting, of official situation. Formal is used for professional, academic, right, and office use के लिए. But informal is used in casual conversations, आपकी जो friendly conversations होती हैं, आपकी जो personal situations होती हैं. For example, you talk to your mom. Is it formal or informal? Informal. You talk to your boss. You talk to your subordinate, the junior से बात कर रहे हैं. Formal. Official situation है, right? लेकिन वही आपका जो colleague है, he is your good friend also. और शाम को आप लोग इकट्ठे जो है वो वॉक करने के लिए जाते हैं, क्रिकेट खेलने के लिए जाते हैं. तो वहां पे फिर आपकी जो कन्वर्सेशन हो रही होगी, that will be informal. Got it? So that is the difference between formal and informal. Formal English हम यूज करते हैं ऑफिशियल वर्क के साथ, right? ऑफिशियल emails के साथ. Formal is very polite and very structured, right? मतलब when you enter into the classroom, you knock at the door and you say, may I come in? Right? You ask for the permission. What happens in your house, at your home? Right? Of course, मतलब ये basic manners है कि आप किसी के bedroom में enter हो रहे हैं तो you should knock at first. Otherwise आप मतलब सिर्फ knock करके you don't wait for the answer. तो आप knock करके और बस हाँ तुम ready हो गए अभी तक या नहीं हुए ready? गाड़ी आने वाली है, van आने वाली है. Like that. So it would be informal situation, right? Okay. There are certain situations. आप बताएं कि यहाँ पे हम कौन सी लैंग्वेज यूज करेंगे? Job interview. Formal language. Okay. Email to your boss. Formal language. WhatsApp message to your friend. Informal. Yes. Classroom presentation. Formal. Talking to your sibling. Informal. Excellent. So Now you know what is formal, what is informal. You do not go or you do not come to the college or university in the same dress in which you went to bed. Why? Because they are like your trousers, right? Over the queen. Sleeping dress आपका वो होता है कि which you feel very comfortable, right? Irrespective of उसका style, design, color, right? Even वो कभी कुछ साइड से आते हैं उसकी stitching भी थोड़ी सी वो खराब हो गई है, but you feel very comfortable in that dress. But you cannot wear that dress for your job interview. Why? Unprofessional. Because it is unprofessional, it is casual, it is informal. तो घर में देखते हैं कभी मदर अक्सर जो वो 3 पीस पहना होता है उन्होंने शलवार की शलवार कलर की है, कमीज की शलवार की है और दुपट्टा जो है वो किसी और कलर का है, वो 3 पीस चल रहा होता है और वो उसमें कोई मतलब like she is in that dress because she feels comfortable in it. लेकिन जब वही किसी फैमिली के वेडिंग फंक्शन के ऊपर जाती हैं या मतलब वलीमे पे जाना है तो वहाँ पे तो मतलब 4-5 दिन पहले से डिसीजन हो जाता है कि अच्छा कौन सा पहनना है ड्रेस, कौन सा नहीं पहनना है, कौन सा सबसे कम लोगों ने देखा हुआ है वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. So, okay. Write down vocabulary. Formal, informal. Right? Language difference है. एक साइड में formal लिखते हैं और सामने उसके informal लिखते हैं. Formal is request. फॉर्मल के नीचे वर्ड फर्स्ट है रिक्वेस्ट. इनफॉर्मली हम क्या कहते हैं? फॉर्मल में आई रिक्वेस्ट यू, ऑर्डर, यू आस्क. इनफॉर्मल में आस्क होता है. फॉर्मल इज रिक्वेस्ट, इनफॉर्मल इज आस्क. फॉर्मल इज परचेज, इनफॉर्मल इज बाय. Assist. How may I assist you? अक्सर आप जाते हैं ना तो स्टोर्स पे या कुछ ऐसे वो वहाँ पे जिनका स्टाफ होता है उन्होंने वो शर्ट्स पहनी होती हैं उसके ऊपर लिखा होता है How may I assist you, right? या How may I be of any assistance, right? अल-फतेह स्टोर के ऊपर है किसी भी जगह पे. Apologize. Sorry. Apologize and sorry. Children. Kids. The kids are playing. That is informal. Children is formal. This was the vocabulary, right? Formal and informal का vocabulary वाला portion था कि how different words are used in different contexts. All right. Second पे आ जाए grammar and structure. Write down the second point. Grammar and structure. Grammar and structure. इसमें भी इसी तरह से पहले formal हो जाएगा और informal. Formal, I do not understand. I do not understand. Informally, I don't get it. Informally, I don't get it. I don't understand is converted into I don't get it. Right? G. Could you please help me? Could you please help me? Or informal version? Or can you help?
Can you?
I'm writing to inform you.
I
Am writing. Writing to inform you. And just letting you know. Just letting you know. अच्छा फॉर्मल के अंदर ना बहुत सारी चीजें जिस तरह आप वहाँ पे ईमेल लिखेंगे तो आप उसमें लिखेंगे आई एम राइटिंग दिस ईमेल टू यू मतलब इट्स ऑब्वियस यू आर व्हेन यू आर लाइक ईमेलिंग समथिंग तो यू आर राइटिंग आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट लेकिन उसके अंदर बहुत सारी चीजें आपको ऐसे फील हो रहा होगा कि यस मतलब कुड यू प्लीज हेल्प मी इज आल्सो कैन is a direct expression. Could is more polite expression. Just like would is more polite expression. Would you please bring a glass of water? Yeah. Could you call Mr. Umar? Right? Like this. So could or would already they are more respectable, more formal expressions than can and will. Okay. All right. Let's see how do we talk formally. I need two people. One is Qasid. You are a teacher, Qasid. And we need one student from where? Yes, the last one. What's your name?
Zarakshan.
Zarakshan. Alright. You are a student. Right? You are a teacher, right? And her performance is consistently going down. And this is the final meeting that you were having with her and you were warning her. Could you please come here? Go to the door. You come and sit here. You are the teacher. Let's see how they talk. Yes.
Can I come in?
You are mad at her, you are angry at her performance, and this is the test that you have in front of years of performance.
Sir, should we please switch our situation?
Yeah?
I want to switch our
No.
situation.
Yes, thank you.
You would rather उनसे ठीक ठाक बेइज्जती करनी है तो talk about it. You are the student and your performance is really down. Alright, and you are very angry.
Yeah.
Alright? But मतलब formal situation है so you need to be like polite and yeah. The form of the situation you can't do like this.
Okay. I was looking at your taste paper. What is the result? Have you ever seen that?
A bit louder, please.
Yeah?
A bit louder.
Okay. Have you seen your result?
Yes, I have.
Can you explain that? What is your performance there?
I can explain, but most of the time you won't understand what I'm going through or something.
So you
What
should
phase
let
are
me
you going
understand.
through? What are you going through these days?
Sleep disturbance.
Okay, insomnia.
Yes.
Alright, so, yeah. Do your parents know about it?
No.
Okay.
So
So,
you should let your parents know about that issue.
do you want, no, you should inform his parents.
Okay. I'm gonna let them inform, but you think you should be serious about your studies.
Yes, I will from now on.
It seems like the seriousness is like feeling from the face. Don't really seriousness, but the serious tone, yeah. Don't you have, what's your father doing, right? He's earning money with lot of difficulty and you are just like throwing everything there. you are going to be an excellent student and a perfect husband. Yeah, good. All right. So Rafshan, good performance. You worked well. Okay, Sami.
Yes.
Okay. You and you are the manager. All right. And who is going to be the employee? You are the employee. What's your name? Mariam. Mariam is the employee. Please come here. You want to take it off, right? अगले 3 दिन के लिए ऑफ करना है आपने, and you are requesting her कि आपकी जगह she should take up your work.